Hola, mi nombre es Mr. Briggs. My name is Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Today's video is entitled How to Say Watch Out in Spanish. If you ever happen to be in a situation where you need to tell somebody to watch out, do you know how to say it in Spanish? But before we watch today's video, I would like to invite all my amigos to subscribe. Click the red button and the bell in order to get notifications. I upload videos every week. You can also check my playlist and other videos that I have already uploaded. You've got nearly 200 videos of Spanish content for you to view whenever you please. Muy bien, fantástico. Let's begin. So how do we say watch out in Spanish? Cuidado. 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 That means watch out. Cuidado. Can you say it? Cuidado. Let's see a few examples. Oh, here comes this grumpy dog. Watch out or beware of the dog. Cuidado con el perro. Cuidado con el perro. Cuidado con el perro. Cuidado con el perro. Siguiente ejemplo. Next example. Let's say there is a busy road. Watch out for vehicles. Cuidado con los vehículos. Cuidado con los vehículos. Cuidado con los vehículos. That means watch out for vehicles. What about pedestrians? How would you tell somebody, watch out for pedestrians? Some Spanish cities are very busy and you literally have to be careful with pedestrians. Cuidado con los peatones. Cuidado con los peatones. Peatones means pedestrians. Watch out for that tree, like George of the Jungle. Watch out for that tree. Cuidado con ese árbol, George. Cuidado. Cuidado con ese árbol. Cuidado con ese árbol. Otro ejemplo, another example. Watch out for trucks. Cuidado con los camiones. Los camiones means trucks. Cuidado con los camiones. Cuidado con los camiones. Otro ejemplo, another example. You better watch out. Mejor ten cuidado. Mejor ten cuidado. If you go out to a dangerous area of the city, they could tell you, mejor ten cuidado. If you're driving in a school zone, watch out for children. Cuidado con los niños. Cuidado con los niños. Drive slowly. Cuidado con los niños. Cuidado, watch out, con los niños. Cuidado, watch out. Repeat after me. Cuidado. 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 Cuidado, watch out. Cuidado. Excellent, amigos. Before you leave, please click that red button. Thanks for supporting my channel by subscribing. It makes it possible for me to continue producing more videos for you. Don't forget to leave a comment, and if you have any suggestions, if you would like me to produce a video about a specific topic in Spanish, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help you. Have a lovely day. I hope to see you very soon. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Adiós.